I've got a total of, well, nearly 1,500 followers. I think I had 20, well no, I've got 1,500, I've done nothing.
What took me ages to do manually is now done automatically through the use of this software.
And I haven't done anything. This is all happening automatically through Board Commander. So in about 30 days, I went from 70 followers that I had taken time and effort to collect manually to now well over 1,000 followers, and it's all been done in an automated fashion through Board Commander.
So I've only been using the software for a very short space of time, and in the last 4 weeks I've managed to double my followers on Pinterest. My blog traffic has also significantly increased.
Hey guys, Brett here, and in case you haven't heard, Pinterest is one of the hottest sources for free viral social traffic. However, there is one problem with Pinterest: building up a following. It's incredibly time consuming to build up your following on Pinterest. In fact, it's so time consuming that it almost prevents people just starting out from doing it. However, all of that is about to change thanks to Board Commander. Board Commander is a revolutionary piece of technology that builds your following and drives traffic for you 100% on autopilot. Now, I'm so excited about Board Commander that I could just ramble on about it forever. However, the best thing is going to be to just show you exactly how it works. Let's take a look at it together right now. So what can you do with the power of Board Commander? Well, you can build up a huge Pinterest following completely on autopilot. You can send traffic to any website, affiliate link, or CPA offer that you want. With Board Commander, you're finally going to get the attention, the following, and the traffic that you need to take your business to the next level. Best of all, Board Commander is completely automated. You simply unleash this software and it does all of the hard work for you. Board Commander is available right now for the special introductory price listed below. However, I just want to give you a fair warning. After the introductory period, the price is going to go way up. So if you're ready to unleash a torrent of free, viral Pinterest traffic, click the link below this video and get started with Board Commander right now.